Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a store without your physical card. Apple Pay offers a convenient and secure way to make purchases directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. It transforms your device into a digital wallet, allowing you to leave your traditional cards at home. This method ensures your payment information is encrypted and protected during every transaction, providing peace of mind with each tap. To get started, open the Wallet app on your Apple device. You will see a plus sign in the upper right corner. Tap it to add a new card. You can then use your camera to scan your card or manually enter the details. Your bank might ask for verification, perhaps a one-time code sent via text message to ensure your security. This quick setup takes just a few moments. When you are ready to pay with your iPhone, simply double-click the side button. Your default card will appear, and you can authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone near the store's contactless reader. You will see Done on your screen, along with a check mark, confirming your payment has been successfully processed in just a few seconds. Paying with your Apple Watch is just as simple. Double-click the side button on your watch to access your cards. You can swipe to choose a different card if needed. Next, hold your watch display near the contactless reader. You will feel a gentle tap and hear a sound indicating that your payment has been completed. It is a quick and effortless way to pay on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.